Hello everyone, we have given 555672238 question marks. So can you find the number that fills this? So comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell. Here on the channel, we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in basic to advanced math and logical reasoning. So now take a good look. So if we see 5, 5 and 5, their sum is 15. 6 plus 7 plus 2 is also 15. So what replace the question marks when their sum is 15? So 3 plus 8 is 11 and 11 plus what is 15? 4. So what replace the question mark? 4. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.